really? Yeah, man. You nailed it on the head. Sorry. Huh? What? Yeah. Who? The. Right. Thanks. Excuse me, Mom. Let me guess. Someone couldn't do the job. So I'm sure you must have a story to tell me. Knew it. Come on, go. I want to hear it. Yeah. I'm sure he's gonna be nice. Say it! Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, ooh. Really? Yeah. Nice. I like that part. Oh. It's sad. Oh, really? Go on, go on. Give me more. Stop. Nice. I like your story. Really? I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I like your story. It's got a drama in there, you know? It's right there. All the right elements of storytelling. But look who doesn't care. All I care about is results. You just give me that and just get out. Nothing else. Go.